Today's shoot, we are pretty much excited about this whole OMG journey, and it's our day 2 in this journey. So we are really excited to know what exactly is going to happen. So after coming here, I think designer gave us this outfit. So we were really excited to know how we are going to look after wearing this. So I guess we people are really feeling confident, and after wearing it, we thought it's going to be like a Game of Thrones shoot. So I was really pumped up, and outfit is something when I wear it, it should be something, it should boost up my confidence. And this outfit has done it in that way. So kudos to the designer in that way. I'm just loving the outfit. We're just hoping that the right talent should win the challenge. And it's not just about winning or losing, it's more about the experience, it's more about the learnings, it's more about because I'm a person who believes in self exploration a lot. So I love to find my own potential and work on it. It's some way because when you meet such amazing talent from all over the country, it's in some ways going to hone your skills in some way because meeting those people, because I'm always carry this attitude of learning something from someone. So that learning attitude is something that makes me grow in some way. So for me, it's a beautiful opportunity because I'm the believer of present and I'm just loving the whole journey.
So today's shoot was amazing. I think everybody who is from the fashion industry or dreams about fashion have a deep down desire to work with Dabu sir, and their team was so amazing. He was guiding, he was so polite, he was all his tips and toes were like just make us so overwhelming. But yeah, the costumes and everything all together came up really well. So we're looking forward for the pictures.
Okay, so you're looking very different from. It's amazing. She has summed up everything. It's the best feeling to be here, coming as from Nagaland, and then to meet them people as a person here and to compete together. And it's not like the feeling to be meet in a as a person in person actually. That does the feeling of meeting them was not like a competition but more like we have already been known each other. The feeling was so mutual, everybody was so genuine, and then really nice. I feel so good, and then experience here was amazing. It's like for whole life experience that I will be cherishing this forever. Yes, it's just amazing that I cannot even express now. Thank you.
Anything you want to add on?
Yeah, I would just like to add on that I think everybody has said everything, but I would like to add on the journey was immensely beautiful. The way we were, the learnings what we are taking, the takeaways what we are taking, that matters more rather than the destination. It's the journey that matters, and I think we all have an amazing journey. So that's what I would say. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.